the impact sample number 2. Maybe Alif can basically explain how do we define this based on the sample number 1 that I have just mentioned just now. You can see that the pattern is more or less the same. Yeah. Okay. So we have the define the key topic, in this case addressing customer service challenges, yeah. Improving our service experience. Yeah. So from there we design we have the image of the frustrated customer, okay, and also the helpful representative, yeah, where we can basically have on the third visual, people audience certainly can tell this is basically the why we want to present this in terms of addressing customer service challenges. Okay, and then from there we can have the problem. What is the problem of declining satisfaction? Okay, on the second slide. Okay, so again, take this as a slide number 1. The format basically follow this format. Okay? Slide number 1. Okay? Then number 2, slide number 2. Basically follow this the problem. Yeah, the problem. Okay. On slide number 1. And then the slide number 3 is basically the solution, service improvement plan. Okay. The slide number 3. Then we outline the actionable solution. In this case, we will enhance the training, okay, upskill the staff, and have the service. How do we improve our service consistency? Okay, and then from the slide, from the solution slide, we also have the expected benefit slide. Yeah. What can we achieve? Or what can the company achieve after we done all this improvement? Okay. Yeah, right? So in this case, the benefit, yeah, we can basically boost the satisfaction of the customer after we upskill the staff. And then we have the faster response, quicker resolution from our staff to any complaint from the customer. But here we need to address how do we improve our customer service. Yeah. And then we also have the set clear service standard into the consistent quality to the customers. Okay. And then we have the next slide is on our recommendation. Yeah. Our recommendation action. This is basically present the recommendation roadmap. For example, Q1, what we need to do. Q2, what we need to do. In this case, Q2, we launch the training after we get the budget approval. Yeah. Then at the Q3, the Q2, we have every quarter get 3 months. So we expect that within 3 months we can achieve this. The next 3 months, Q3, after we do the system upgrade, select implementation, then we can achieve the Q4, we do the process of implementation. So that we can basically do the performance review, yeah, after we implement all those solutions. And then the moving forward together is basically elevating our customer experience for lasting success. Okay? So now you can see also. Yeah, you can see how do we design our slide. Yeah? Based on the format. Yeah? You can see this is the format or methodology, yeah, of the structuring your content, having the leading statement, the root cause, we have the 3-part flow, we have the problem statement, we have the root cause and also the solution, and then we have the recommendation and the next step. Yeah? So you can use this method, yeah, to basically prepare for each of the problem. In this case, Alif, when you have the design the RISCA mock-up model, your slide number 1 what do you see? For slide number 1, what will be your slide here?
Statement and visual.
Oh, tulis ka? Kaya na?
This car visual. Maybe I can put a person.
A driver? Kan? Or the designer?
Or a person feel dizzy.
Dizzy, how to design this car? So you can basically prompt the AI to have what are the right visual for that statement. Okay. Then for the slide number 2, what is the problem statement that you want to put there in your slide?
Lack of knowledge.
Lack of skill.
Lack of skill. Lack of guidance.
Guidance, yes. That will get it from the lecturer. So at least you get 3. You get 3 problem then. You can have the key issue here: lack of knowledge, lack of skill, and also lack of guidance. Oh, excellent, Ali. Impressive. Impressive, Ali. Yeah. And then what are the solution that you have in mind?
Upskill, skill and knowledge.
Okay. By what?
By refer to internet sources.
Alright.
Or
Training.
also train.
Kan, training kan? Maybe a lecturer can university can bring in the top person, maybe yang dia design this car to give talk, kan? To give talk to the student, so at least you can gain his knowledge. Nobody university can do that. You can bring in the outside outside speaker, which is basically a subject matter expert on the race car design. In fact, not only race car, but designing expert. What tool do we use? What tool they use for designing? Yeah. Normally, what is the tool available now in the market?
SolidWorks.
Yes. Oh, Katia, okay.
Yes.
3D modeling?
3D modeling.
SolidWorks. Okay. Oh, 3D modeling. Oh, respect. Alif knowledge, very good. Untuk the designing. Which the SolidWorks and also the 3D model is something that also I also need to know about that tool. Yeah, it's good. Okay. So all the basically available in the market. Okay. So just now that is the solution. Okay. And then what is the expected benefit from that improvement?
Can work more efficient.
Alright, good. Oh, keyword efficient. I like that.
Then
Productive. Innovative. Innovative. But the idea, more ideas, yes. More ideas. better design, or up to date design, or improve design,
Yeah.
improve design. Yeah. Okay. Very good, good. Right. And then what is the recommendation? That you want, for example, this recommendation, pihak universiti boleh approve. Contoh. Can approve the budget ke? Yeah.
The budget to for
The tool. Kan?
to buy the design tool.
Yes, that's important.
So
Is the tool available now in the university?
yes, available.
Hmm.
It is the
Can practice lah. Can.
the practice at lab.
In lab. Yeah. Yeah, lab. Yeah. Maybe can improve the lab facilities. Yeah. By having all those we call it state of the art designing software, for example. Yeah. Okay, good. Well, so what is the moving forward together? What is the tagline after you have all that? Yeah. A bit.
With skill and knowledge, you
Ah.
can be a better person.
Alright, that's the key word. With the skill and knowledge, can be better because the team can excel. Yeah, can excel in their designing the race car project. Okay, that's good. Then maybe Puan Mati, itu the revamp the client rose garden. Yeah, what will be the slide number 1 that you have in mind? Or before that, let me check the video. Okay, good. All right. So, Wati, you can have the visual here, the current rose garden, current issue for rose garden. Yeah. One of the pinpoint issue, pinpoint of the current rose garden, like messy, the layout is messy. Yeah. So you can have show the rose flower here. Yeah. Messy garden. Yeah, that's good. And then what are the problem? And then lack of auto watering. Yeah. And then third may be lack of maintenance. Yeah. Or the budget, the fertilizer, the tanah, I mean the soil. Improve the soil condition is not perfect, kan? And that's all the standard. Okay, that can be the problem for the current rose garden, kan? Then what is the solution? What the improvement plan? Have in mind?